So this is the video of why it is important to log into SJSU OneSearch account. When you log in, you'll see a sign in button here. It'll walk you through the SSO steps, and then you'll see your name here. If you click on this drop down arrow, you can actually view your account, your current loans. If you have any current loans out, you can renew them through that option here. You can view any requests that you've made, your reference work searches, any saved items, and then your search history. So I'm going to give you an example of dolphin communication. Now, say you did this inquiry and you weren't exactly sure on what verbiage to use, and then you quickly find that your results are either too broad or too narrow, and you might want to change your terms. So say you want to find dolphin echolocation instead of communication. You can search that way and see how it narrowed down your searches to only 5,000. So if these search terms you forget and say you have to come back later on and you don't quite remember what terms you used, you can always go to your search history and view those terms, and they'll be here. The other great thing about being able to log in is if we go back to our search and say you scroll down and you find a peer-reviewed article that sounds amazing. And yeah, this one sounds good. So let's go ahead and save that one. So all you have to do is pin it, and that saves to your favorites. So your favorites are right here next to your login. You click on that, and here's your article. And you can go back and view that at any point in time. Just click it, it pulls up the article link, and then shows you all the information you need. So that's another great thing about being able to log into OneSearch.